the obstacles in our path. Simple story. Long ago, a king wanted to see how the people in his kingdom reacted to problems. So he ordered his men to place a big, heavy boulder right in the middle of a busy road. Then the king hid behind some trees to watch what people would do. Soon, rich merchants and important people passed by. They looked at the boulder, complained loudly, and blamed the king for not keeping the roads clean. But none of them even tried to move the stone. They just walked around it and went on their way. After a while, a poor peasant came walking down the road. He was carrying a heavy sack of vegetables on his back. When he saw the boulder, he didn't complain. Instead, he put down his load and tried to push the stone out of the road. It was very hard. He pushed and pushed, his whole body straining, sweat running down his face, but he didn't give up. He finally moved the boulder to the side of the road. As he went back to pick up his vegetables, he noticed something on the road. It was a small purse. Inside the purse were gold coins and a note from the king. The note said, "These gold coins are for the person who removed the boulder from the road." The peasant smiled, not knowing the king had been watching him the whole time. Moral of the story: every problem we face in life hides an opportunity. While some people only complain, others take action, and those are the people who create new chances and better futures for themselves.